to our DIY woodworking tutorial, where we will show you how to create charming wooden utensil holders to organize your kitchen in style. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these simple yet elegant projects are perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm to your culinary space. Wooden utensil holders not only keep your kitchen tools neatly organized and within reach, but also add warmth and personality to your countertop. With a few basic tools and materials, you can easily customize your utensil holders to match your kitchen decor and personal style. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need wooden boards or planks, a saw, sandpaper, wood glue, clamps, and finish of your choice. You can use reclaimed wood for a rustic look or opt for new lumber for a cleaner finish. Measure and cut wooden boards to the desired size of your utensil holder. Sand the edges and surfaces to smooth out any rough spots and create a clean, polished finish. Remember to wear safety goggles and gloves when working with power tools. Next, assemble your wooden boards using wood glue and clamps to hold them in place while the glue dries. Make sure the edges are flush and the corners are square for a sturdy and professional looking finish. Allow the glue to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once the glue is dry, it's time to add finishing touches. You can stain your wooden utensil holder for a natural rustic look or paint it in a color that complements your kitchen decor. Be sure to apply the finish evenly and allow it to dry completely before using your utensil holder. Now comes the fun part, filling your utensil holder with your favorite kitchen tools. Whether you prefer classic wooden spoons, sleek stainless steel utensils, or colorful silicone spatulas, there is plenty of room to store all your essentials in style. Congratulations! You have just completed your DIY wooden utensil holder. Not only it is a practical and stylish addition to your kitchen, but it is also a testament to your creativity and craftsmanship. Give yourself a pat on the back. You have earned it. Don't be afraid to get creative with your wooden utensil holder. Add decorative touches like engraved initials, hand-painted designs, or metal accents to make it truly unique. You can also experiment with different shapes and sizes to fit your specific storage needs. Thank you for joining us on this woodworking adventure. We hope you feel inspired to roll up your sleeves and create your own custom wooden utensil holder for a kitchen upgrade that is as functional as it is fashionable. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY projects and woodworking tutorials. Until next time, happy crafting!